Today I'm going to show you how I achieved this voluminous flat twist out using Aunt Jackie's Curls and Coils. So I started off with their co-wash cleanser, and this really helps to soften your hair and add shine with the avocado for deep conditioning and strengthening. And it's best for dry hair, and it's especially good on coarse, dense textures like mine. So after I cleansed my hair, I followed that up with the Not On My Watch Instant Detangling Therapy. And this just helps you be able to detangle your hair after washing it. It has a slippery, silky slip feeling that clings to the hair and doesn't dry it out. It's lightweight and it smells great, and it just made my hair a lot easier to detangle starting from the ends to the roots. So after I finished detangling my hair, I added my styler, which was the Flaxseed Elongating Curly Gel, and this just gives you the maximum stretch, and it's good for all textures, and you can use it on wet or dry hair. So I'm using it on blow-dried hair.
See, I don't know if I can handle you as just a friend. Oh, baby, I can't pretend. Oh, baby, I'm so far in. But I don't mind as long as I could have you in my life. Oh, baby, I'm satisfied.
So once I finished all my flat twists, I sat under the hooded dryer for about an hour. And when I took them down, I made sure to try to not cause any extra frizz, which was easy to do with this flat twist style because the hair is already in sections, so I didn't really need to separate too much further. But you know me, I love volume, so of course I had to get my pick out and maximize the volume of my hair. So these were my end results. Let me know how you guys like this look, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching!